It is certainly a good thing that we have started the kitchen segment because, guys, I'm warning you, I could have eaten this entire dip. Lucy,
I'm glad
it's
you like
amazing.
It. Thank you, thank you. It is our Praline King Cake Dip. So it's a sweet dip. So we're going to use graham crackers and vanilla wafers to dip in, or you could use pretzels too.
Or
so
you could use your finger,
yeah.
but not when you're at a public location, just at your house.
Just at your house, for sure, when you eat it before you get to the party.
Yeah, so it's really good. Again, you could take it to a party. A lot of stuff going on right now. Always need a good dip on hand because you have baby showers, you have wedding showers, you just have, I mean, all kinds of stuff to go to, and it's pretty easy.
So easy to make, and this one's kind of king cake inspired. My friend Lacey gave me the idea. She said, you can make a king cake cheese ball, and I was like, oh, that's a really good idea. And so then when I started thinking about kind of what I wanted to do with it, I'm like, oh, a cheese ball won't work for what I'm thinking, so I decided to do a dip. And we're right on Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
And then, after Mardi Gras passes, then you could just, X out the king cake part and just keep making the dip.
Right.
So we're going to make our candied pecans first.
Which I've had a few of these as well.
Which we know.
Just a few.
They're good since you told us they are.
Right. It's funny because everybody in the studio is like, Chastity has literally been eating those pecans for like 20 minutes.
You have a major sweet tooth,
I do.
which I don't always make sweet stuff, so I'm glad I brought you something sweet today. We just started out with 1 egg white.
Okay.
And then I'm just using 1 bag of pecan halves, which it says is about 1 1/4 cup. So we are going to mix the pecans, and I have the oven on at 250. So we're going to let these bake while we make the rest of the dip. So you just mix the egg white and the pecans together. And then we have 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, would you mind?
Dump this one in?
Yeah. So that's our salt and our cinnamon, and then our sugar.
Okay.
So 1/4 cup of that.
No wonder I like these so much.
I know.
Look at this sugar.
I know, they're full of sugar. Everything in moderation.
Right. Don't eat 20 like I just
don't
did.
eat 20. So they're going to take about 45 minutes or so to cook because they're on a low heat, like I said, 250. And then every 10 minutes or so, we're just gonna take a spatula and just kind of move them around on the baking sheets. So now I just have a little baking sheet, so we're going to pour these out on here and just put them in a single layer so they, would you mind doing that? So they bake evenly. So while that's going on, then we'll make the rest of our dip. So that's just kind of our topping. We're going to use the caramel sauce. You could totally make your own, but we're just using a shortcut today. And I just bought it in a jar. And then we're going to crumble these pecans on top. Yeah,
and Lucy, something that I was just thinking about, if you didn't want to make the dip and you just wanted to make these candied pecans, they're good by themselves.
Yeah, that was a good idea. I was thinking this would really be a good thing, like you said, for a baby shower, any kind of shower, or giving somebody a gift. I mean, we're already past Christmas and all that, but, anytime something's happening, somebody's sick or somebody, something tough is going on with them, it's so nice to be able to make something, and it's so quick and easy. Yeah. That's a good idea.
And of course, what's going on at Greer's right now, we're focused on Mardi Gras, but soon we're going to be past that and getting on into the spring season.
I know. I'm so excited. I'm sure everybody is for spring to be here and the weather to warm up a bit. And then, as soon as the hot weather hits, we're all going to be like, I wish it was cold again.
Yeah, where's the winter?
I know. So, so the year's already flying by.
Yeah, and in case you guys, again, we have to remind you, if you're real busy, like we all are, remember the grocery pickup, grocery delivery. It's so popular with your stores.
Yeah, it really is growing. We're keep adding more locations. So if you just go to greers.com/shop, then you can see all of the locations that offer the curbside pickup and delivery as well. So it's really a good thing.
All right, we're going to continue to work on this dip. And Lucy, I've had about 20, but just in case I was lucky with the first 20, I'm just going to try one more. to make
when I was
sure
leaving
it's good.
this morning, Jack had run in, and I was, putting the plastic over, and he wanted some, and then he ran off, and then came back. More.
Right.
I'm like, all right, here's a handful. Take some to Nick. No, he
right.
didn't take any to Nick.
All right, I'm gonna try one more. We'll be right back.